Hello, my name is Shannon Kessner and I will be reporting my indoor observation from my home on Yak Road, just 7.1 miles west by northwest of Fairbanks. My area is heavily surrounded by trees and has the view of Fairbanks. Mountains are also viewable in the distance on a relatively clear day. I took my readings on January 27, 2017 at 13:33 hours Alaska Standard Time. Using the digital thermometer from my lab kit, I received the readings for the left probe at 74.6 degrees Fahrenheit and 23.7 degrees Celsius. The right probe read 75.8 degrees Fahrenheit and 24.3 degrees Celsius. I calibrated my barometer and I received the readings of 992 millibars and 29.3 inches of mercury. After I got my initial observation, I looked towards the National Weather Service and saw that they reported the barometric pressure at my current location at 993 millibars and 29.29 inches of mercury. My outdoor observation was taken at 16:22 hours Alaska Standard Time on January 27, 2017. My site is located 19.2 miles north of Fairbanks and just 4.9 miles north of Fox. The observation site I chose was in the hills on Old Murphy Dome Road. My coordinations are 64 degrees 59 minutes north, 147 degrees 40 minutes west. I prepare my equipment by setting the barometer at the correct elevation at 1,612 feet and set that aside. I then took my digital thermometer and set it on a flat surface, letting the probes hang down to where they were not touching. While I let my equipment acclimate to the weather, I took my initial observation at my location. The sky was overcast and there was no clouds in my line of sight. I could tell that there was a slight wind due to the coldness on my cheeks. I used spit on my finger to get an idea of which way the wind was blowing and then took out my compass, faced away from the wind, and observed that the wind was coming from east-northeast and headed 250 degrees west-southwest. The trees in the area were not swaying and I could see my breath. On the Beaufort scale, I gave the number 0 for calm winds. Snow in this area was heavily compacted and disturbed, so I could not get an accurate reading on the snow accumulation. I went back to my digital thermometer and barometer and wrote down my readings. The temperatures on the left probe read at 26.9 degrees Fahrenheit and -2.8 degrees Celsius, and the right probe read 28.1 degrees Fahrenheit and -3 degrees Celsius. The barometer showed that there was a 28.3 inches of mercury and 960 millibars. This concludes my Unit 2 weather observation. Thank you for watching.